Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to download Sims 4 on your Chromebook. If you're someone who loves playing games, or just looking for a new way to pass the time, then this video is for you. First things first, let's talk about why Sims 4 is such a popular game. Sims 4 is a life simulation game where you can create your own characters, design your own homes, and basically live out your dreams. It's like a virtual world where you get to call the shots. Now, you might be thinking that you can't download Sims 4 on a Chromebook, but that's not true. In fact, it's pretty easy. All you need is the Google Play Store on your Chromebook and you're good to go. If you don't already have the Google Play Store, you can easily download it from the Chrome Web Store. Once you have the Google Play Store installed, just search for Sims 4 in the search bar and hit download. It's that simple. You'll be playing Sims 4 on your Chromebook in no time. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys. So, what are you waiting for? Go download Sims 4 on your Chromebook and start living your virtual life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.